Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is Fred Razak at CMTrading. Today is March 14th, 2016, and today is Monday morning. So looking at the economic calendar today, we're going to start out with the EURUSD here. This is a weekly chart of the EURUSD. As you can see, over the past year, we've been consolidating between this 114 level and 106 level. Okay, so if this is your first time trading, this is really a very long time that we've been consolidating for such a long time. I mean, if we look at a monthly chart, you'll see that we've been really in this very tight range because historically it's a much more volatile symbol to trade. But as you can see, we've been in this range here between, like I said, 114 and 105-ish, 106-ish. So, you know, albeit that we've been in this range, okay, now we're looking at a daily chart, albeit that we've been in this range, you still have opportunities to trade the range, okay? Sell the top of the move, buy the bottom of the move. We had multiple opportunities here this past couple of months to buy the bottom of the move and to sell it into the rallies. We're right smack in the middle of it right now. So, you know, I really would like to see some sort of consistency to show ourselves that we're really breaking out here. We've tried it on several times to break above this 114 level, but we never really sustained it, and then we sold off. So, you know, it's still a trading in the range. I'd still categorize it as trading in the range. As you can see here, we're right in the middle. So, you know, I'm either waiting for it to get closer to 14 or to sell off again to, let's say, 108-ish level to pick it up again. Those would be my two threshold in the EURUSD. Looking at the Dow Jones, now this was a major play last week, okay? News came out with the ECB, Draghi came out with news on Thursday. The markets initially didn't like what he had to say. The euro actually tanked, and then it rallied right back. Now the Dow Jones did the same thing. It did the opposite thing, excuse me. It rallied initially, sold off, and then, you know, there's so much strength in the market in the Dow Jones that it, you know, shrugged it off and, you know, acted like as if nothing happened and continued to rally into the end of the week. And we had a 200-plus move on Friday, which was really colossal. So we went from 16,868 to 17,200. That's, you know, that's almost the 400 point move from, you know, this just area right here. Now, what I like about this chart is that we're finally closing above this 17,050, okay? And we're showing some resilience here, though maybe we'll go up. The question is that if we do sell off, I would look for 1750 to be my basis point, my support level in order to carry this higher. So the markets in the U.S. are still pretty strong. They're still rallying. So I'd like to see some consistency and some, you know, for a target of maybe 17,500-ish level by the end of the year. You know, it's a long, you know, that's a very long period of time, but I would like to see some consistency, either sell off a little bit and then, you know, higher up before we take it any further. Looking at oil as well, oil also rallied 38, 70-ish level, but we're kind of faltering here. Okay, this is a threshold, even though we're closing above it. This is a threshold right below 39. So I do expect some sort of correction. Okay, so I would like to see, I would anticipate to see, excuse me, that we would sell off a little bit here. So keep an eye on this a little bit this week. And looking at gold, we sold off. Okay, gold finally hit its, I think its top, okay, of short term, okay, of 1288-ish level, as you can see here, and now we've sold off to 1240, 1250-ish level. This is a threshold. 1250 is, excuse me, 1255 is a support level. Definitely 1246 is a support level. So it'd be interesting if it maintains it. I'd like to see it maintain. I'd like to see it consolidate here before it takes up any higher. So those are the views for today. As the week progresses, we'll have more economic calendar news as well. Mondays are usually quiet, as we've mentioned before. This is Fred Razak at CM Trading. I want to wish you guys a great trading day. Thank you.